Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to backup data from your iPhone or iPad to your Windows PC. To do it, you'll need to have an app named Apple Devices on your Windows PC. You can download it via Microsoft Store, then connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer via a cable, and then in General Settings you will see the Backup section, and you can choose whether you want to backup your most important data on your iPhone to iCloud or backup all the data on your iPhone to this computer. And you can also enable encrypting local backup. And even if backup your most important data to your on your iPhone to iCloud is enabled, you can still backup your iPhone to your computer. To do it, click on Backup Now. Then it will show backing up your iPhone, and you'll need to enter your passcode on your iPhone. Now I've entered it, and it will start backing up. You can see that it's now backed up. It says that last backup was done just now. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.